Imagine stepping outside on a crisp, clear night and looking up not to a dark sky, but to a colossal, luminous ring encircling Earth, stretching from horizon to horizon. It's a celestial halo that transforms the way we see the sky forever. Earth, with rings like Saturn, sounds impossible. Maybe. But let us explore the jaw-dropping reality of how such rings would alter life as we know it. Would it be beautiful? Absolutely. But would it be dangerous? That's the question. Scene 1. How could Earth get rings? Earth has never had rings before, unlike Saturn. So how would they form? One possibility is a massive cosmic collision, maybe a rogue asteroid or a shattered moon from the distant past. If a giant object smashed into Earth or its moon with enough force, it could have created debris that got caught in Earth's gravitational grip. Over millions of years, that debris could have spread out into perfect, symmetrical rings, much like Saturn's own frozen bands of rock and ice. Another scenario? A future event. Imagine an asteroid crashing into our moon, blasting chunks of lunar rock into Earth's orbit. Over time, the pieces could spread into a dazzling ring system around our planet. But what would life be like under these rings? Scene 2. A completely new sky, with rings overhead. Every sunrise and sunset would be completely transformed. Imagine golden rays filtering through icy rings, scattering light in spectacular ways, perhaps creating dazzling streaks of rainbows that shimmer across the sky. The rings would glow, reflecting sunlight like a cosmic beacon. No more deep black heavens speckled with distant stars. Yes. Instead, massive arcs of light would paint the night sky in breathtaking detail. But here's the thing, the rings wouldn't look the same from every location on Earth. For people near the equator, the rings might seem thin and barely visible, stretching like a faint band across the sky. But for those closer to the poles, a dramatic spectacle. The rings would rise like towering walls of ice and rock, dominating the sky in surreal beauty. And that's just the beginning. Scene 3. Could we ever touch the rings? Saturn's rings aren't solid. They're made up of countless tiny pieces of ice and rock, ranging in size from dust particles to house-sized boulders. Earth's rings would likely be similar, so could astronauts ever visit them? Theoretically, yes. Space missions could be designed to explore the rings, collecting rock samples, analyzing their structure, and studying their origins. A space station built along the rings? That might not be impossible, but the rings wouldn't be as serene as they appear. It would be dangerous. The constant movement of particles at incredible speeds would create an environment too risky for casual exploration. Any spacecraft attempting to navigate through Earth's rings would need advanced shielding to protect against collisions with rogue debris. Scene 4. How would rings change life on Earth? Here's where things get really interesting, because rings wouldn't just change the sky. They could change our weather, our seasons, and even our survival. Impact on weather: Earth's rings would act like a giant sunshade, partially blocking sunlight in certain regions. Places directly beneath the densest parts of the rings might experience cooler temperatures, possibly even disrupting climates. Some areas might struggle with longer winters, while others could get stuck in droughts caused by shifts in sunlight exposure. Changes in wind patterns: the rings might even influence wind and ocean currents. The way sunlight heats the planet determines global air circulation. So a massive ring system filtering the sun's rays would almost certainly create new wind patterns, potentially causing extreme weather events in unexpected places. Disrupting astronomy and technology here, something few people would think about Earth. S-rings would make space exploration more difficult, with thick bands of debris surrounding the planet. Launching satellites and space stations could require complex navigation systems to avoid ring material. Telescopes, studying deep space, they might struggle, since Earth's rings would reflect sunlight, creating constant interference. Scene 5. How would the rings disappear? Just like Saturn's rings, Earth's rings wouldn't last forever. Over millions of years, gravity would slowly pull the ring particles toward Earth, making them disappear over time. Some chunks of rock and ice would crash to the surface, creating spectacular meteor showers. Others might get absorbed into Earth's atmosphere, vaporizing into thin air. So while Earth's rings would be a dazzling sight, they wouldn't last forever. Final scene: mind-blowing reflection. Rings around Earth would be a masterpiece of celestial wonder, They would redefine how humans see the universe, change the way we experience the sky, and even reshape how civilizations evolve. But would we really want them? They would bring beauty, but also chaos, disrupting nature, altering climates, and making space travel a delicate challenge. So maybe Earth is lucky. Lucky that its skies remain open and vast, free for astronauts to explore, and clear enough for stargazers to dream. Because as incredible as rings may be, Earth might be better off without them.